Hi, it's Anu here. Are you thinking of a post-holiday detox or a healing retreat where we give full attention to your well-being and make sure you get the results you need? If so, look no further than our residential retreats in Dorset, where you can reset your digestion, heal from chronic health issues, cleanse your liver, decongest, lose weight, or just improve your already good state of health. The only one in UK, we also offer the authentic Panchakarma, the signature cleansing program of Ayurveda. I'll teach you the tricks of the Ayurvedic trade, so you leave with confidence of knowing what to do after. No long distance travelling, wear and tear of crossing time zones, just beautiful English countryside hosting a brand new self-catering hotel that becomes our retreat location for 10 days. Within this time, you can join us for as many days as you like, minimum of 3 days. Check out our website and get in touch, and I'll start planning a special program for you. Bye for now.